1111 for many of you is a number that holds great meaning. For this reason, I like to create a new 1111 video for the week that November 11th falls inside of each year. And if you've followed this channel for any amount of time, you know that I post my videos at 1111 on every Monday. And I do that because the number 1111 has held great meaning in my own life for several decades. I've used this number as a barometer to guide me in my own personal journey. It's a sign that I hold as having great significance. And for this reason, I find my 1111 videos quite fun and enlightening to make, including this one. This year is 11-11-22, and I'm going to go over the master numbers 11 and 22 and their meanings and significance, as well as how you can use this day to your advantage. In the past, I've discussed how numbers carry different energetic vibrations, how you can work with these vibrations to create positive outcomes in your life and the lives of others, how 1111 activates our DNA, and how 1111 has recently been establishing itself as a part of the collective consciousness. I'll leave a link to those videos in the description of this video if you'd like to watch those and learn more. For the purposes of this video, let's start with the meaning of the number 11. As a recap to my previous videos, in numerology, the number 11 resonates at an extremely high frequency and is considered to be the link between the physical and the spiritual worlds. It has also been said to be an intuitive number with direct access to the subconscious mind. The number 11 symbolizes vision, spiritual enlightenment, and awakening, and it's also a reminder that we have come into our physical existence via the spiritual realm. 11 is referred to as the master intuitive. Because the number 1 is the beginning, or the first point when something starts, the number 1 represents initiative, independence, new possibilities, new visions, self-reliance, self-mastery, optimism, and positivity. It also symbolizes oneness, tapping into that oneness, and how all things are interconnected energetically. The number 11 multiplies these attributes and meanings, and the number 1111 increases this to an even greater degree. It's a universal symbol of spirituality. In oneness, we are supported by forces that we cannot see, and when we tune into those supernatural forces, we amplify our ability to be on the right path at the right time. If those forces are prompting us with a sign or a numerical day that signifies alignment, it can only enhance our lives to tune our frequency back to those forces in order to truly hear the messages that we are to receive and to allow that guidance to work in our lives. Because the number 1 represents self-mastery, seeing 1111 indicates the perfect time to master self-awareness and the connection to the divine spiritual world that awaits our attention. Before we dive into the significance of 11-11-22, let's gain an understanding of what a master number is so we can comprehend the power and significance they hold for a day such as 11-11-22. The numbers 11, 22, and 33 are all called master numbers because they each carry a special energetic essence. A master number holds special significance because it offers double the power of the number that it's reduced to. As stated on yourtango.com, and I'll leave a link in the video description, numbers 11, 22, and 33 are considered the only master numbers in numerology, since these numbers are made up of 1, 2, and 3 respectively. These numbers make up the triangle of enlightenment. Together, these profound energies signify the 3 phases of creation: envisioning, building, and sharing. In numerology, master numbers occur in core positions in a person's numerology chart. However, they can also occur in our everyday experience, as in days such as 11-11-22. As stated on alexandandy.com, and again I'll leave a link to this article in the description of this video, since the birth of numerology in ancient times, the numbers 11, 22, and 33 have been revered as the master numbers, commanding an extra strength presence in the cosmos. People with these super digits in their birth charts often rise to be high decibel movers and shakers, spiritual leaders, or community influencers. Even if you weren't anointed with a master number at birth, numerologists say that channeling the meaning of one or more of these potent integers can inspire and elevate your life. You may have noticed that the master numbers each have twin digits, and therein lies their strength. In numerology, each base number, 1 through 9, gives off unique vibrations such as love, prosperity, and protection. When doubled, as in 11, 22, and 33, those vibes are intensified, creating a more dynamic force field. On a karmic level, people born under a master number are thought to have learned the lessons of numbers 1 through 9 before birth and are here on Earth to improve humanity. Now let's discover the meaning of the master number 22 in numerology. The number 22 is referred to as the most powerful and creative number of all. This is because it is often found as a master number in the charts of people who are leaders and visionaries. These are the types of people who turn their dreams and visions into physical accomplishment very easily because they are intuitively connected with the number 11 on a spiritual level, while also possessing the physical wherewithal to implement the right action at just the right time to bring their dreams into reality. And oftentimes, these dreams assist in the greater good for all. Like the master number 11, the master number 22 holds great significance because of its ability to transform goals and dreams into reality. It is known as the master builder. In numerology, it represents realizing the spiritual path and the purpose of life. In other words, it signifies the building up of intuitive creative energy. It's a channel of spiritual power that enables individuals to live their physical lives in a way that aligns with their desires by turning what might seem to be the impossible into the possible. The number 22 instills confidence as a natural instinct and inner strength to reach a destination without losing faith that it will all work out. It signifies great potential. As for 11-11-22, the number 11 is about having a vision as the master intuitive, and the number 22, as the master builder, creates the means to make that vision a reality. So it could be said that 11-11-22 is a fantastic day to hone in on your vision and truly define what that is, while allowing the means to make that vision a physical reality to present itself to you in an organic way. And just to finish out the meaning of the master numbers, I'll lightly touch on the master number 33. This number is known as the master teacher. The number 33 represents compassion, honesty, and inspiration. It is known as the most evolved master number as it possesses the ability to guide and share knowledge with others. In numerology, it's the master number that contains all forms of understanding and expression. 11 years from now, we'll touch more on how to incorporate this number into your manifestation efforts. But for now, let's go back to the master numbers 11 and 22. These numbers are not just random numbers, and the date of 11-11-22 isn't just an ordinary day. According to numerology, the ultimate potential of this date, as well as 11-22-22, which is also coming up, because they both include 3 sets of master numbers, is on an entirely different level as compared to others. Master numbers are highly charged numbers that require special attention. The presence of an expression date such as this is a strong sign that you may be able to access the intense powers of these numbers. With these master numbers in place, on 11-11-22 and again 11-22-22, it's possible to access the qualities of highly tuned intuition, building, and sharing when a person uses this heightened spiritual energy. This date is a time to maximize potential by tuning into the spiritual intuitive world. Have faith that spiritual forces are assisting you with your physical life. If you hone in on the symbolism of these numbers and utilize their heightened energy, they're capable of improving your life and expanding your horizons in ways that you may have never imagined. This time of 11-11-22 is a time to envision your dreams, build them up, and share your knowledge with others. Trust that these dreams will come to you, and they will.